Alright, just a quick video on how to replace the batteries in your 2015 Mustang Key Fob. What you're going to need are two 2025 batteries, obviously your key fob, and a penny. Stay tuned. Alright, the first thing you're going to need to do is open up the clamshell. So pull down on this little spring-loaded tab right here and open her up. Alright, next thing you're going to want to do is remove the backup physical key. And once you get the key off, what you're going to do is you're going to slide a penny into this little slot right here and separate the two pieces. Okay, and we've got the battery area right here. So please note the orientation of the batteries. So what I'm going to do is, so on this side we got the negative side up. And I'm just going to slide the little paper separator away. And then this one we got the positive side up. So let's take these batteries out. Okay, next I'm just going to open up the package of the new batteries. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. So, let's see. For the first one, the minus side was down. Okay. And then for the second battery, the positive side was down. Alright, so the batteries are now in. So let's reassemble the key fob. Okay. Slide the physical key underneath this little lip right here. Put the top cover back on. I'm going to push it down to make it a little bit easier for it to slide back into place. And there you go. Let's go outside and test it out. Alright, let's give it a go. Lock works. Unlock looks to work. And let's start her up. Looks good.
Thank you for watching, and if you like what you saw, click like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.